Hi friends, today I'll show you 10 super easy claw clip hairstyles that are so easy and unusual looking. Don't forget to subscribe for more and tell me in comments down below which one was your favorite. So let's get started. For our first one, we want to select our crown section, selecting our hair from behind our ears. We want to tie it using a clear elastic, then bringing our half a ponytail up. We want to fix it with a claw clip like I'm showing. Then you want to divide the ends into 2 equal sections, twist one of them and then pull it a bit and secure it with your claw clip, and repeat with section left, and our first hairstyle is ready. For the next, we want to brush our hair, creating a low ponytail. Then you want to grab a big claw clip. We want to fix it up like I'm showing. You want to divide the ends into 2 equal sections, crisscross them, and then you want to twist it, pull it a bit and fix it with your claw clip, and repeat with section left on other side. Next, divide all your hair into 2 equal sections, and then you want to twist one of those around opposite one and bring it up and clip this construction with a claw clip like that, and look how beautiful long and voluminous ponytail we have. Next, we want to gather all our hair like creating a low ponytail, making sure everything is nice and smooth. We want to tie it with a clear elastic. Now we want to make an opening through this ponytail and bring it halfway through down like I'm showing. Securing the ends, you want to bring this construction up. Use a big claw clip to secure everything in place. And you're done! Next, we want to select our crown section, creating a half updo. Tie your hair with a clear elastic, and the last time, make sure to tie your hair halfway through. Pull created bubble, and you want to use a small claw clip to secure and hide this elastic. Then you want to gather the rest of your hair, tie it with a clear elastic like that, and the last time make sure to pull your hair halfway through. You want to wrap the ends around to create third bubble like I'm showing, and secure everything with a claw clip that is pretty much the same like our first one. And we are done! For the next one, we want to brush our crown section back. You want to fix your claw clip in the back like that, make sure it's nice and secure. Then you want to select a section of hair from one side, twist it lightly, and you want to bring it over your claw clip and through your claw clip like I'm showing underneath. And you want to repeat with section left. You want to twist it away from your face, over your claw clip, and bring it through your claw clip, leaving the ends out. Next, we want to create a middle ponytail using a clear elastic. Then you want to grab a long claw clip and secure it at the base of the elastic. Twist your ponytail up. Then you want to twist it around this claw clip, and you want to secure the ends with the same claw clip. You want to pull it a bit to make it voluminous, and our high updo is ready. For the next, we want to brush our hair, creating a high ponytail using a clear elastic, of course. And last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through, pull a little bit, created bubble, and then you want to grab the ends, twisting it like I'm showing, and secure it with a smaller claw clip. You want to fix it in place, and our super big high updo is ready. For the next one, we want to gather all our hair like creating a low ponytail, but you want to twist it downwards. Secure this construction with a big claw clip like that, and bring it through the claw clip again, pull it a bit, and we're done. Next one, we want to gather all our hair in the back and divide it into 3 and create a super simple 3-strand braid. So basically you want to cross side strands over the middle one until reaching the ends. You want to secure it using a clear elastic. You want to pull apart our braid so it will look more voluminous. Then hiding the ends, you want to create a diagonal bun with it and using tiny claw clips to secure it. This bun in place, and look how beautiful it looks. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you do, don't forget about like, subscribe. As I mentioned, don't forget to tell me in comments down below which of these hairstyles was your favorite. But that's it for today, and you know I love you so much, and see you soon in my next video. Bye!